Waiting on the bus. Now I'm waiting on a ride. Waiting to go home. A long day. It poured down rain at lunch, and you know it's friggin' blue skies and beautiful now. Cleared up in no time. It says it's gonna be like that all week. Just pour down rain or sunshine and beautiful. So that's how it goes. Oh, ride's here. Friend's house in rubble. Oh yeah. Whoops, there we go. I made it.
Oh wow. Okay, they don't have it quite removed.
Oh whoa. Oh, the lights on. Cool. Open up. Opened all that up. Open this up. Pretty cool. Wow, this was a kitchen.
Oh, they got this wall down now.
Oh, was I in? I'm sorry. There was a wet bar here. Got all that open up. Good, they got all good. They got all that covered. This is awesome.
Yeah, you see, this is where the.
Oh,
so
sorry.
this is. You can see kind of the footprint here. This is where the fireplace was.
Right. There was a fire. Sorry, there was a fireplace right there. Went all the way up to the roof. They took the whole thing out. A guy with a trowel and a wheelbarrow. That is just cool looking. Knowing that it's all going to be fixed, it's cool looking. Anyway. Oh.
So the next wall they're probably going to remove is this one.
All right.